Alrighty, I got the notification to go fly today, and boy was it right. There's so much going on. Work is continuing on that left or right side, depending on how you look at it, part of front gate. Really find that interesting because it looks like it's just interior work, which means it looks like a refresh. I'm hoping what it really is they're going to rip out the front and install self-serve kiosks, and they're working on electrical in there as a temporary solution. As a business person, that's something what I'd be predicting, but I'm probably wrong. I don't know what's going on there. I have no inside information in terms of that, but we'll keep an eye on it. Clockworks is being reinstalled with its refreshed paint for Winterfest. It's looking great. And of course, Tundra Twister, this was at around 10 a.m. I was there for about 3-4 hours just filming a lot. And keeping my eyes out for the actual vertical. So this is them hooking up the crane after installing the thing, whatever you want to call it, that crossbar. This is them installing the power for Snoopy's Racing Railway. So you can see there's a lot. They're going to be moving into the station. So they're hooking up the power that'll power the ride. Right now, it looks like they're really far behind. I do have somewhat confirmation that the rides will be ready for opening. No plans have changed with anything that I'm aware of, so I'm going to make a pretty bold prediction that the rides will be ready. So I'll keep you guys posted if I hear anything else, but from what I'm hearing through the grapevine, the rides are going to be ready. Everything's going to be ready, and yeah, so I'm super excited about that. Snoopy's Racing Railway honestly looks like it has some nice curvature to it. It's going to be really fun to ride, and yeah, I'm super excited, to be honest. The little pump house is getting pretty, it's moving on quickly. And then I'm hearing that the slide will be installed halfway through April as a prediction. So this is them starting to erect Tundra Twister. Just a little heads up, Behemoth will be testing starting tomorrow. They'll probably run some test cycles today, but it'll be running pretty consistently starting after school hours tomorrow. And then the weekend after, it'll be Yukon, and then the weekend after that, it'll be Leviathan. Obviously, plans do change, but that is the schedule that I have right now for testing, and then obviously there's rides in between there. But just focusing on the big three, if you want to go watch them from the outskirts of the park, not on park property, those are the weekends to watch the really cool rides test. Now I'm just going to kind of put some music over the video, and you can watch the process of them lifting this one support structure up. They need 2 cranes to do so. So if you look really closely, there's orange straps coming down from that white and yellow crane holding onto the bases. They're going to connect those to the footings. And then there's one crane that holds it up in place. And then you see a little white cherry picker. What that was doing essentially was kind of working on Yukon. I actually thought it was Wonderland going to film the process, but then as I was driving away, I noticed it was looking at the support structure for Yukon way up there. So obviously just keeping an eye on the bolts. And yeah, so lots of work going on, to be honest. Again, you're going to see this ride just go up like Lego, and then you're going to see a lot of other projects start. We're hearing a lot of rumblings about some pretty exciting news. We had pre-heard something, and then one of my really good sources just kind of said that they were hearing something now too. So now I'm really hyper-focused on a specific rumor or rumbling. I don't want to touch on it yet, so you'll have to watch the podcast this weekend. I'll touch on it. I'm very protective of my information, so yeah, stay tuned for that. 2023 could be a really exciting year in terms of pre-construction for a 2025 coaster, and maybe some other little tidbits. Stay tuned for the podcast because this one's going to be good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of the process of installing Tundra Twister. Bye.
Every guy I've met, we fell in love at a bad time. Getting insecure, questioning myself on the way down. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. Right now I need to take care of myself, comfort in myself. ask why I'm single with such a pretty face. Where is your man? You should go out and chase him. Now I'm so tired of breathing underwater. I just wanna float like a ship made out of paper. So now I'm about to take care of myself, comfort in myself, like a roller coaster. One week at What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our own way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. Oh, we come alive. We come alive. Oh, we come alive. Tell me that you want me. I can see you.